Second down and goal. Prescott. Gallup. Touchdown. What a catch.
I got to see this. I'm not real sure how he got his feet in bounds. It's a great throw. He puts it in the perfect position. Aaron Colvin for the Redskins in coverage. Boy, he goes up and gets that. That's excellent work. That's a really nice job. It wasn't as close as I thought it was from here.
To its lead over the Giants. Prescott. Gallup. How did he stay on his feet? Gallup. End zone. Touchdown.
And Reeves comes across, and he doesn't want to just blow up Michael Gallup, so he goes low and is unable to secure the tackle, and he goes for the touchdown.
16, third down and 6. Pass is caught. How about another? The hat trick. Gallup for the touchdown. Flag is down back in the secondary. We'll see if the play stands.
Pass interference. Defense number 32. That penalty's declined. The result of the play is a touchdown.
What a game for Michael Gallup.
That sure is. And in with Ladler playing inside technique. That's a great job. There's a lot of young receivers that can learn